Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy recipe for deviled eggs. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. We're going to start by boiling our eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here are the rest of the ingredients you'll need: some mayonnaise, sweet relish, mustard, some sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, parsley, paprika, and some sharp cheddar. Once the eggs are done boiling, you want to go ahead and just peel the eggs. I know everyone knows how to peel eggs, but I'm just doing this so I don't skip any steps. Once your eggs are done peeling, you want to go ahead and start slicing them up, removing the yolk. Again, I know most people know how to do this, but I'm just showing you guys so that I don't miss any steps. Once you're done separating the yolks from the whites, you want to go ahead and mash the yolks. Try to get them as smooth as possible. Then you want to start adding your condiments and basically all those ingredients except your paprika and the parsley. We're going to save those for garnish. So you want to just mix everything in, mix it well to combine. If you want, you can use a hand blender or a hand mixer. You know, I just didn't want to wash any more dishes, so I try to do it by hand. Yeah, so just go ahead and do this, and once you are done, I'm going to show you what we'll do next. So today I'll be using a piping bag, but you don't have to use this. You can simply use a spoon and just spoon them in, or use a Ziploc bag. And you want to just go ahead and place your filling inside of the eggs until they're all filled. This is super easy, guys. This is one of the easiest deviled eggs recipes you will find. Trust me, I've made a lot of different deviled eggs recipe, and to me I like the simplest ones. I don't like the ones with all the shrimp and the this and the that and the bacon and all them different things on it. I prefer it to be simple. I enjoy these the most. And this is it, guys. It is all done. Once you garnish with your fresh paprika and parsley, you can get ready to enjoy this. It is such a classic snack or appetizer. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.